Present over here, respected subject teacher and my beloved friends. Today's Mr. Sister
It's me, Pestapa.
are here with a presentation on the topic probability. Without delay, I'd like to start our presentation. So, basically, probability is a concept which numerically measures the degree of uncertainty. Let's go little history about it. So, historically, probability began to historically concept of probability began to develop from the games of chances like rolling of die, tossing of coins, and drawing of cards from a well shuffled deck of cards, etc. And it was firstly introduced by Galileo, and some basic mechanisms like random experiment like an experiment. It is an experiment which outcome cannot be predicted in advance, like say like rolling dice, tossing of coins, drawing of cards, etc. Next, outcomes. Outcomes are the results of an experiment, like when tossing of coins, the occurrence of head and tail is the outcome. Then sample space, a set which includes all the possible outcomes of in a random experiment is called sample space. Like when a coin is tossed continuously 2 times, then its sample space will be head and tail, tail and head. Thank you.
Now I would explain about mutual exclusive event, independent event, and 2 basic laws of probability, and try to solve few numbers related to it. Now, mutual exclusive event. That two or more events of a sample space are said to be mutual exclusive event if the simultaneously occurrence is not possible. It can be numerically represented by E1 intersection E2 equal to 5. For example, while tossing a dice, events of getting even number is 3. Events of getting even number is 2, 4, 6, and events of getting odd number is 1, 3, 5. Both of them will occur simultaneously is 0. And independent event. Two or more events are said to be independent event if the occurrence of one event does not if the occurrence of one event does not affect the occurrence of another event. For example, throwing a coin and throwing a dice. Probability of getting head in dice is 1 by 2, and probability of getting even number in probability of getting even number in dice is E B equal to C by 6, which is 1 by 2. And 2, there is no relationship. There is no relationship between throwing a coin, tossing a coin and throwing a dice. Now I will explain about two basic laws of probability: addition law and multiplication law. Yeah. Addition law can be represented by E A or B equal to E A plus E B minus E A intersection B. Yeah. If A and B are two events, then the occurrence of one event is equal to the sum of the probability of the each event minus the probability of both events at the same time. Now I will solve numerical about mutual exclusive game. हामीलाई चाहिँ यो क्वेसन गर्नुभन्दा अगाडि चाहिँ कार्डको बारेमा थाहा हुनुपर्छ। कार्डमा चाहिँ 52वटा तास हुन्छ। 52वटा तासमा चाहिँ 4 प्रकारको तास हुन्छ। त्यो चाहिँ क्लब, हार्ट्स, काइट र स्पेड हुन्छ। अनि स्पेड सबै चाहिँ 13-13वटा हुन्छ। अनि कार्डमा चाहिँ एस 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 क्वीन किङ र ज्याक हुन्छ। अनि हामीलाई चाहिँ थाहा छ प्रोबेबिलिटी अफ गेटिङ एस इन अ कार्ड भनेको चाहिँ PA भनेको चाहिँ 4/52 हो। अनि प्रोबेबिलिटी अफ गेटिङ रेड कार्ड भनेको चाहिँ तासमा चाहिँ 26वटा रेड कार्ड हुन्छ। अनि प्रोबेबिलिटी अफ गेटिङ रेड कार्ड भनेको चाहिँ 26/52 हो। यो भनेको चाहिँ 1/2 हुन्छ। अनि प्रोबेबिलिटी अब हामीलाई अर्को कुरा पनि थाहा छ, एस चाहिँ रातो कलरको पनि हुन्छ। अनि प्रोबेबिलिटी अफ गेटिङ रेड एस भनेको चाहिँ ए इन्टरसेक्सन आर भनेको चाहिँ 2/52 हो। अब हामीलाई चाहिँ अब यो वाला फर्मुला लगाउँदा अब ए और बी इक्वल टू ए प्लस बी माइनस ए इंटरसेक्शन बी वाला फर्मुला पनि अब यहाँ चाहिँ PA भनेको चाहिँ 4/52 भयो। PR भनेको चाहिँ P भयो। PB भनेको चाहिँ 1/2 माइनस दुईटैको चाहिँ सेम हुन्छ चाहिँ 2/52 हुन्छ। अब यसलाई चाहिँ गर्दा चाहिँ 7वटा यो भएर छ। अब चाहिँ इन्डिपेन्डेन्ट इभेन्ट। अब चाहिँ मल्टिप्लिकेसन थ्योरममा चाहिँ म्याथमेटिकली चाहिँ चाहिँ PAB इक्वल टू PA डट PB ले चाहिँ रिप्रेजेन्टेसन गर्नु चाहिँ